Our immune system works every second of every day keeping our cells healthy and active. Over the last few decades, it has had to step up and adapt to changing environments, diets, and lifestyles and is incredibly successful. If our immune systems fail, we get sick and die. It's that simple. With toxins and overuse of antibiotics rampant in our lives, there is constant bombardment of the immune system. It needs our conscious help to keep up. In this video are some ways to help you, help yourself. 10 ways you may be unknowingly hurting your immune system. 1. Too much alcohol. Whether all at once or habitually, more than one drink per day compromises your immune system's ability to fight infection and disease. Excessive alcohol consumption or long-term alcohol abuse can lead to immune deficiency in two ways: nutritional deficiency and reducing white blood cells. The consequences can be pneumonia, tuberculosis, various infections, and autoimmunity, when the immune system attacks its own body's cells, not to mention liver and heart disease. 2. Too much sugar. Sucrose suppresses the immune system, leads to weight gain and leaches precious minerals from your body. Even in small amounts, sugar is detrimental to your health. Eating or drinking 100 grams, 8 tablespoons, of sugar, the equivalent of about 2 cans of soda, can reduce the ability of white blood cells to kill germs by 40%. The immune-suppressing effect of sugar starts less than 30 minutes after ingestion and may last for 5 hours. In contrast, the ingestion of complex carbohydrates, or starches, has no effect on the immune system. In addition, eating too much sugar can lead to excessive weight gain. Fat tissue produces hormones that initiate an inflammatory response by the immune system. Chronic inflammation has been linked to heart disease, stroke, joint and muscle pain, degenerative brain conditions, and diabetes. 3. Too much stress. A little stress is normal and necessary. Too much acute or chronic stress wreaks all kinds of havoc in our bodies. The immune system is not invincible. With the increase of stress-related hormones like cortisol, which Psychology Today labeled public enemy number 1, and the decrease in other hormones and factors to balance them, the immune system can easily be compromised. Find ways to manage stress and you'll benefit in every conceivable way. 4. Too much noise. Everyone has his personal noise tolerance. If you find yours is getting lower all the time, it's a sign that your immune system is fighting the intruder. Excess noise induces stress and we've already seen what that can do. Do what you can to reduce noise levels and volume, even introduce quiet hours at home. Heavy curtains can keep out external noise, white or pink noise can drown out unwelcome sounds, and turning off electronic devices can all help reduce stress on your ears and hence your immune system. 5. Too much alone time. Everyone needs time alone, but not enough social interaction can lead to an emotional, then physical, depressive response. Keep in touch with your friends and make new ones. Even if very shy, there are social outlets for everyone, whether a small monthly book club, a dance class, drop-in basketball, or a history course at the community college. 6. Depression and grief. Chronic depression and/or extended grief affect the production of white blood cells that are specialized in disposing damaged or infected cells. Many studies have found a direct correlation between depression and disease. If depression and sadness get in the way of daily activity, seek help, for your mind and your body. Support is available and you need not be alone. 7. Not enough sleep. Your body uses the time while you're sleeping to do complete and thorough maintenance. Lack of sleep has the same effect on the immune system as stress, and chronic sleep loss has implications for disease and immune function. According to a study by scientists in the United Kingdom and the Netherlands, previous studies have associated sleep restriction and sleep deprivation with the development of diseases like obesity, diabetes and hypertension. Others have shown that sleep helps sustain the functioning of the immune system, and that chronic sleep loss is a risk factor for immune system impairment. 8. Not enough nutrients. The immune system relies on certain necessary vitamins and minerals to optimally perform. Simple deficiencies in vitamins A, B6, B9, C, D, and E, or copper, iron, selenium, and zinc can contribute to decreased immune function. Do your research to make sure you get the right amount of nutrition through your food. Consult a healthcare provider before taking any supplements, and remember that whole food sources should make up the bulk of your diet. 9. The letdown effect. All too often, we get sick while on vacation. While it seems ridiculously unfair, there's a physiological reason, what has come to be called the letdown effect. After periods of stress, there is a sudden change in hormone levels affecting the immune system, and the body becomes more susceptible to illness. Try some activities to ease your system back to normal hormone levels, like word games, moderate exercise, or chess. 10. Too much traveling. Regular and extensive travel mixes up everything from digestion to sleep. Not called jet lag for nothing, changes to the body's internal clock and circadian rhythms affect the production of T cells, a particular type of white blood cell. Try to keep life as normal as possible with adequate sleep, exercise, and healthy food.